Great moments. Here's just a sample of what's coming up and off tonight.
What's this, Mutt, you're
in
watching?
Underwear.
Get that off! What are you hiding there? You get a Stauner? No. Lift that cushion. Lift that cushion and let me see. Hurry up! You dirty wee bastard! Get in here!
What?
I'm sitting there with a big Stauner.
Off that cushion! Pick up! I Stauner! Why have you done this to us?
Hello, Ma. Ma, I'll need to phone you back. Johnny's got a Stauner. Aye, a Stauner.
Do your granny noise!
It's wee Johnny. He's got a big Stauner. Get the coats, we need to get over there.